we'll guide you through how to edit size of shape Photopea. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, right-click the Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop or taskbar and click Open to launch the browser. Once Chrome opens, click on the address bar and type Photopea. Then press Enter on your keyboard to search for the website. On the results page, select the top option, 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘, to access the application. After the website loads, the Photopea homepage will appear on your screen. From there, select New Project to create a new document. You can choose any template available in Photopea if it matches your project requirements. If you prefer a specific workspace size, you can also set a custom canvas size according to your needs before starting. When you are ready, click the Create button to open the editing workspace. After the editing page appears, press Ctrl+0 on your keyboard to fit the canvas neatly to the screen for a better view. Next, look at the toolbar menu on the left side of the screen and find the Shape tool. In this example, select the Rectangle Shape tool from the available shape options. Create a shape on the canvas by clicking and dragging to draw it. If you want to edit the size of the shape after it has been created, click and drag one of the shape's corner points. This allows you to increase or decrease the size as needed. To maintain the shape's original proportions while resizing, hold the Shift key as you drag the corner point. This prevents the shape from becoming distorted. Alternatively, if you want to create a shape with exact dimensions from the start, click once on the canvas instead of dragging. A settings window will appear where you can enter the desired width and height values. After entering the measurements, click OK. The shape will immediately appear on the canvas with the specified dimensions. By following these steps, you have successfully learned how to edit the size of a shape in Photopea and create shapes with either adjustable or precise dimensions for your design projects.